How to use parental control in Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in Discord. So in order to use parental control in Discord, you need to follow these steps. So what you need to do is actually you have to open your device where you actually want to set up a parental control. Let's consider it's your teen's Discord app, okay? All right. So what you have to do is on your Teens Discord app, you have to navigate to user settings. So that you could access by going to the bottom of the screen at the right. You could see use section, right? This is where you could find. And then click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. And there you have account settings, and underneath you could find family center. All you need to do is click on the following option. So you have to make sure to go ahead and click on my family and click on connect with teen. So make sure to go ahead and enable these permissions. Now you have to scan the QR code of the Discord application or the account. So when you actually go ahead and scan the QR code on your phone, you could just go and tap the parent, navigate to a family center, select connect with team, and then scan the QR code and just follow the on-screen prompt. And this way you could use parental control in Discord. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.